Yes, I know it's a little bit hard to see because there's a pole right here and two giant trees in the way. But it's too hot to go outside, so that's why I'm not out there, because it's too hot. I gotta be careful I don't fall out the window. I'm not exactly sure the name of this excavator. Wait, I think I see it on the thing right there. If anybody can see that, the name of that, let me know. I can't really see it from this angle. I'll probably have to zoom in even more to see. Let me see if I can zoom in more. Well, I can't see now because get the tree. Oh, that's blurry. Hold on, gotta zoom back out. Camera went blurry there for a second. Yeah, I can't see the company name unless I go out there, and I'm not going out there because it's too hot. Change of plans. I ended up going out anyway. You still can't really see from here. Hold on right quick. There it goes, finally broke. But yeah, I changed my mind and said, I'm gonna go out of your way. Luckily there's shade right here, so I'm good. So yeah, it turns out that they were working on the sidewalks. For those who are wondering what he's trying to do, he's trying to break up the giant pieces into smaller chunks, so they can load them into the dump truck easier instead of having giant chunks. See, it's easier to load them into there when they're that size compared to a large piece of concrete. So that's why he was doing that. He was trying to break it into easier pieces. Okay, that's it for now, y'all. My camera won't let me zoom out.